On a somewhat static front line, both sides need accurate firepower to be able to break through the lines. Reports of Ukraine starting to use the JDAM extended range are emerging, adding a new capability Ukraine was lacking. The JDAM ER, or the Joint Direct Attack Munition extended range, is a package fitted onto an unguided bomb to make it a precision glide bomb. The package integrates GPS and inertial navigation system with foldable wings, making the weapon system have ranges over 70 km. This is however dependent on the altitude and speed of the aircraft dropping the bomb. Where closer to the front line, surface-to-air missile system could pose a real threat. JDAM ER gives Ukraine a new firepower and accuracy capability lacking before, as the JDAM's most likely 230 kg warhead gives larger penetrating power and can hit with an accuracy of around 5 meters, perfect for a more fortified position or infrastructure. The challenge to integrate these bombs onto Soviet-era planes has been solved, as same with the AGM-88 HARM missile. While the weapon system could excel more with air dominance, the fairly inexpensive, larger warhead and great accuracy with standout ranges gives Ukraine new capability to launch air-to-ground missions, either to weaken or make a concentrated push through Russia's lines. Given enough JDAM increases Ukraine's precision strike capability further, possibly making a bolder, longer-range mission to strike deeper behind Russia's defensive line to hit high-value target. As Ukraine has struck Russia far behind defensive line, the more limited warheads has limited the damage they were able to inflict, making JDAM ER perfect to pack a heavier punch. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.